Tesla in the future is going to, obviously you've seen driverless cars, but there'll be a time when if you buy a Tesla, for example, you go over to Gold Coast this weekend, you have a Tesla, you'll get your car to drive you to the airport. It has the technology to be able to drive without you, be able to anticipate traffic, when danger comes to stop and everything. It will drop you to the airport. When you go to Gold Coast, you put on your phone and through an app and you say, like, you put it as Tesla taxi mode. So while you're in the Gold Coast for the weekend, he's picking up people and dropping them off to the points A to B,
like an Uber
for 24 hours, and then it will go and charge, and then it will go A to B while you're away for 3 days. And then when you're done, you say, yeah, come to the airport, I'm here now. I'll pick you up at the airport, take you back to your apartment, and then you've just made $1,000 or something.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's scary. I mean, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Well,
but it'll be that.
And we are kind of getting to that now because we already have driverless cars. Shit,
Yeah.
that's
So
insane.
they say that it will boost Tesla's stock price and everything like that because, it's now not just a depreciating asset. You can actually use it. It's it's not just a depreciating asset or a liability. It's actually an asset that creates money. Yeah.
That's right. Do we have driverless cars here in Australia?
I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't have a Tesla, but I'm sure some people would have it. I don't know if it's accepted yet, but
because I know America has it.
Yeah, I don't. But if Teslas in America can do it, I'm sure the ones here, but maybe they're not approved yet.